Want to use FaceTime but don't have an Apple device? If you have an Android smartphone or tablet, there are other apps you can use for video calls instead of FaceTime. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, we'll be telling you about our top 7 recommendations for video calling apps available for Android. Now let's get started. First up, we have Skype. Skype is a great option for video calling on Android. It offers free voice and video calling, as well as text messaging and file sharing. You can also use Skype to call standard home and mobile phones at a low cost. It even offers group video calls, which is something that FaceTime doesn't allow. Next up is Viber. Viber is another alternative to FaceTime that is compatible with Android devices. It's free to download and use and offers voice and video calls as well as group and conference calls. Viber also allows text messaging, file sharing, and calls to landline and mobile phones at low rates. It also never shows any advertisements. Third is ooVoo. ooVoo is another free video calling app that's available for Android. It's free to download and use and offers audio and video calls and group video calling, something that FaceTime doesn't offer. You can also send messages, pictures, and more through ooVoo. Next, we have Google Duo. Google Duo is one of the most similar apps to FaceTime that we'll be mentioning in this video. It allows for one-on-one video calls between users. Duo is free to download and use. It also has a unique knock-knock feature that allows you to see a preview of a call before actually answering it. Next is Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts is another app made by Google with a few more features than Google Duo. While Duo doesn't offer group video calling or other messaging features, Hangouts does offer these things. You can have group calls, share files, and share your screen with your contacts. If you have a Google account, like Gmail or YouTube, then you're already all set to use Google Hangouts. Our next Android video calling app recommendation is called Tango. Tango is free to download and use and offers free audio calls, video calls, group calling, as well as calls to standard telephones. It also has some social media features, including photo sharing and games. Lastly, we have Facebook Messenger. Messenger is an app by Facebook that allows users to chat with and call their Facebook friends. This is an app you may already have installed on your device, but what you may not know is that you can use it for one-on-one or group video calls. Messenger is also free to use. That's it for this video about the top 7 video calling apps for Android. Have you tried any of these apps before? If you have, let us know your thoughts on them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd click the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.